All right, man, we're back. So you guys have logged into your Google Classroom page. I do want to just talk a little bit about this course, walk you through what we're going to be doing, what we're going to be looking at, and so forth. So let's talk about just this syllabus a little bit. If you're new to outdoor adventures, and some of you are, which again, really sorry that this is your only experience with outdoor adventures, but you know, our mission statement is to look at experiential education, provide opportunities for students where we do immersive lessons, getting outside, participating in content that's focusing on ecology, personal growth, group building, and outdoor recreation. We are looking at our pillars of outdoor adventures. We have six, which everything is framed around these six tenets that again try to establish you know, just the characteristics that we see or want to see in all of you, and that's compassion, self-reliance, fitness, craftsmanship, simplicity, and awareness. Again, this course has been around for a very long time, and we're just trying to you know, keep this tradition alive in what this course is. So restructuring it now, given our circumstances, let's take a peek at what we're going to be doing on a daily, weekly, and trimester-long basis. So if you look at this document, and I'll show you where to access that in a second, there is a daily expectation to just log into the website and do a thing. And that thing is typically going to be just a question. It'll take 30 seconds, maybe 2 minutes max, where we ask you a question or have a prompt or have just a daily check-in. And that's again the requirement for us to keep attendance. There's some gray area from the district a little bit as far as what the requirements are or how to keep attendance, but this is going to be our way of doing it. So on a daily basis, just go in there, click the question. It might be a Google form, it might be an open-ended question, but it'll be a check of understanding. It'll be just maybe a quirky kind of get to know you question, a way to interact with each other and with me. And it should just be pretty light lifting at that point. On a weekly basis, this is going to be kind of what we're going to expect on a regular week-to-week basis here. So three major components. First component is getting outside as close to every day as possible, but for the requirement for this course is trying to get outside 2 times a week. Okay, so one of the times is going to be very scripted. It's going to be an assignment that you have to complete outdoors. Maybe it's a scavenger hunt. Maybe it's trying to find, you know, certain elements, frog calls when we're looking at amphibian decline and some of those environmental issues. It'll be a range of different things, but it'll be kind of the same for everybody, and that they have the week to complete that one assignment that'll be posted outdoors. The second time then is going, it's kind of a personal choice. So it's getting outside, at all and doing something you enjoy and then providing documentation. Maybe it's an image. We'll talk about how to document that stuff later. Maybe it's sending us a quick video clip or a picture of you doing something. It could be, you know, taking your dog on a walk, doing some gardening. Maybe it's you working in your garage building outdoor themed stuff. So like we were thinking like habitat boxes, like bluebird houses, wood duck houses, bat houses, things that can kind of help you know, organisms in this ecosystem. Maybe it's just going on a bike ride, a rollerblade, longboarding. Maybe it's, you know, hammocking and just reading a book, but just getting outside. One of the first articles we'll look at is the benefit of just getting out in nature on just the your mind and the neurobiology of that. So that's one of the components. And man, I just think it's pretty easy to do as far as, you know, content for a course. So just getting away from a screen. You guys are going to be doing too many different you know, classes where you're going to be sitting on a computer screen. I want you up and moving, man. Go experience the outdoors a little bit. There will be a weekly assignment posted on Google Classroom as well. Maybe it's an article, maybe it's reading an excerpt from Sand County Almanac, Aldo Leopold, and some of his teachings, father of conservation biology. We'll talk about him quite a bit. But there will be just a pretty light lifting assignment, reading and responding to an article, nothing too in depth. And then the third component is sharing your week via Flipgrid. So you guys don't know Flipgrid, I have a feeling you will. I think a lot of teachers are kind of latching onto this thing. But it's a way to film a short, quick little video clip, and I like it from a distant learning standpoint in that you'll get to see each other, you get to see and hear from your classmates directly. It can be quirky, it can be serious, it can be fun. There'll be a prompt, where you can just talk your, address that prompt at the end of the week, talking about what you did, what you're taking away from this course, and so forth. So I'll show you on your Google Classroom page. This one is just third hours template. There's a sign up right here for your Flipgrid so that all of our third hour class will have, one location. Fourth hour will have theirs, fifth hour will have theirs, and stuff too. So you can find out how to sign up for Flipgrid. I also recommend downloading it on your phone. You can do some really cool stuff, and just do a quick little video mobily to post for your assignment instead of having to sit at a computer too. So it's a free app. Once you have an account, it's good to go. So those are the 3 weekly requirements. And the way that we're grading it as of right now, and there is some subject to change based on what some of the district is deciding on whether courses are pass fail or whatever else. Just do all of those things, it's an A. You do 2 out of 3 of those things, a C. 0 to 1 is an F. So man, it's easy, it's interactive, it should be fun, it's not content heavy. So I don't know, just enjoy it, have fun with it, be you. The other component, there'll be a trimester-long project that will start probably 2 weeks from now, and that's planning an adventure of a lifetime. So once this whole virus shenanigan thing is over, man, I want you guys looking forward to something cool, and we can use this time to literally plan, a trip, an adventure of a lifetime. What do you want to do? If you could go anywhere, where would you go, and what would you do there? And we'll talk about those components. So we're not going to spend time chatting now. It'll be unveiled here soon. But by the end of that, you should have like a documented itinerary of a trip that you could just say, let's do it, and you'll have all that content, all the plans and stuff ready to go. And that's to maybe reach out in a few years afterwards and let me know that you did it. I'd love to hear that stuff. So, and then finally, just on the syllabus, is some office hours. Really, guys, I'm home too. My daughter is a 4th grader taking online classes, and I have a toddler too. So I'm going to be really available. We posted our district mandated office hours, but really, if you guys need to chat, again, on the Google Classroom page, and this is where we can go more than just third hour, whatever else. I just have a Google Meet site. So if we need to get together and go over some stuff, if you have questions about content, this will be the same site for third, fourth, and fifth hour, so we can kind of just do some, just chat throughout, the senior class, all my students at least, and we can go from there. So that stuff is on the classroom page. Your very first assignment is just going in there, opening up this syllabus, and then clicking submit. It's the syllabus I just went through. It looks funky because nobody's in there yet, but just clicking submit, just saying that you got the syllabus, that you've seen this video, that you went over it. That's all you have to do. There's nothing else you have to do. And that's your attendance check for, what would that be, Monday, March 30th. Okay. I know this video got a little long. I look forward to working with you guys going forward. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You know how to reach me. And we'll start on Monday. I'll cut these videos and just try to get these content out to you as far as what we're doing. All right, guys. I mean it when I say, I always joked when you guys were leaving classrooms, like, I miss you already. I miss you guys. This is weird. This is very weird. And I'm not really an indoorsy solo person, so I'm having a hard time with this too. But we're gonna get through it, and we'll be better people for it. So take it easy.